Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to join vertex in 3ds Max. Right, so vertices. So let's just go ahead and create a box right here. Standard box, just like so. All right. Now you're going to want to right click on the object and then just click on convert to and select editable poly, just like so. Now at the right panel, we have here, or we should have, this icon, vertex, okay, under selection. So you're going to want to click on it. Let's say we're going to connect these two right here. Okay, again, these two. Now what you'll do, while we have the vertex right here selected, so you're going to want to scroll down and find target weld. So go ahead and click on target weld, select the first point, and let's select the second one. There you go. All right. Another example, these two at the top, target weld, this one and this point as well. There you go. All right. This one and this one. That's basically it. That is how you join vertex in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.